Today we're debunking one of the most persistent myths about the human brain. You've probably heard that humans only use 10% of their brains. This idea has been popularized in movies and science fiction. Imagine if we could power up the rest of our brain and unlock hidden potential. But neuroscientists have known for decades that this is completely false. We actually use 100% of our brains, just not all at once. Our brains contain billions of neurons forming complex networks. Different networks activate depending on what we're doing. Think of the brain like an orchestra. Different sections play at different times, but all are essential to the symphony. Different activities activate different parts of the brain. When reading, your visual and language areas activate. For math, your calculation and reasoning centers engage. When moving, your motor cortex takes the lead. If all neurons fired at once, it wouldn't give you superpowers. Instead, it would cause a seizure, chaotic, uncontrolled activity that disrupts normal brain function. The brain has specialized regions that each perform different functions. The frontal lobe handles decision-making and personality. The parietal lobe processes sensory information. The temporal lobe manages language and memory. And the occipital lobe processes vision. These regions don't work in isolation. They form an integrated system, sharing information through billions of neural connections. This is what makes the human brain such an extraordinary organ. What if we could enhance our brain's capabilities? Most of us have fantasized about simply downloading knowledge directly into our brains. Unfortunately, the human brain doesn't quite work that way yet. But there are real ways we can enhance our brain's capabilities. Let's start with meditation. Regular meditation has been shown to increase neural efficiency and create new connections between brain regions. Brain-computer interfaces represent another frontier of cognitive enhancement. These technologies could potentially allow direct communication between our brains and computers, augmenting our cognitive abilities in unprecedented ways. Neuroplasticity is our brain's remarkable ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. With consistent practice and learning, we can literally rewire our brains, forming new pathways that enhance our cognitive abilities. As we explore enhancing our brain's capabilities, we touch on deeper philosophical questions about consciousness itself. What is the relationship between our brain activity and our conscious experience? Could enhancing our neural processes fundamentally change who we are? As we stand at the threshold of potential cognitive enhancement, we face a profound question. Would enhancing our brains through technology fundamentally change what makes us human? Or would it simply allow us to more fully realize our human potential?